Although we often focus on the academic side of learning and preparing for exams, it's essential not to overlook the importance of physical exercise during this critical period. Engaging in regular physical activity can significantly enhance your child's learning process and their overall academic success. When your child exercises, their brain releases chemicals called neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin, which are responsible for mood regulation and enhanced focus. This boost in brain chemicals can lead to improved attention, memory, and problem-solving skills, all of which are crucial as part of the learning process, especially during exams. Integrating exercise into your child's study routine doesn't have to be complicated. Encourage them to engage in physical activities they enjoy, such as sports or even a simple daily walk. It's important to strike a balance, ensuring they have enough time for both focused studying and physical activity. By also getting your child to physically get up out of their seat in between their 25-minute Pomodoro sets of study time, this helps increase the rate at which the blood and oxygen is pumped around the body, meaning that it's the best way for your child to almost have a physical reset before sitting down and starting to study again. The simple act of just getting up and going to the toilet can be a crucial part of the learning process rather than sitting down for hours on end without moving. By incorporating exercise into their daily routine, you are equipping your child with valuable tools to excel academically, build resilience, and maintain a healthy approach to learning, qualities that will serve them well throughout their lives.